Hello and welcome back once again to the TheCraftyB channel. Thank you for being here. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you are my returning subscriber, I thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you, I appreciate you. God bless you. We have many categories of flair. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to cut the 720-degree flare. So to start with, I have my pattern paper, I have my measuring tape, my markers, my tape, my scissors, and then my ruler. So let's get right into the video. Please, if you want to know how to cut this 720-degree flare perfectly, please don't skip on the video. Keep watching. So to start with, we have to know the waist we are going to be working with. So the waist is 26 inches. We need some few calculations to make. So let's go on that before moving to the cutting. So we are working with waist 26 inches, and then the length of the peplum is 8 inches together with the sewing allowance. So to get your 720-degree flare, you need 2 full flares. That is a full circle flare, that is 360 degree, and then you need 2 of this full flare. 360 degree flare by 360, you get 720. So what we are going to do now, we need each full circle for 1 flare and then another full circle for the second flare. So what you are going to do is to measure what we have. The waist is 26 inches. Now we need to find the radius to cut the flare. To get your radius, you need your waist circumference. We are working with waist 26 inches, but because we needed a small pleat, not too full, small pleats in the flare, I'll be adding plus 6 inches, which gives me 32 inches. So this 32 inches is now the circumference of our waist. But because we need to cut 2 of this full flare to get our 720, we are going to divide the waist into 2. You get 16 inches. Because we are going to use 16 inches to cut each of this full flare. 16 plus 16 is 32. So we'll get our full waist. So the next thing to do is to divide the 16 inches by 6.28, which is standard for a circle flare. 16 divided by 6.28 for each full circle flare. And this circle flare is also going to be 16 inches divided by 6.28. So when I divided 16 by 6.28, I got 2.5. So our radius for each full circle we are going to cut now is 2.5. That's the radius for 1 full circle and the radius for this other circle. So we are going to cut 2 full circles, making 720-degree flare. So we are going straight to the cutting. I folded it into 4. I folded it into 2. I folded it again into 4. So the next thing is you have to know the length of the peplum you are cutting. So the length together with the allowance is 8 inches. So you are going to add the 2.5 inches for the radius. So 8 plus 2.5 is 10.5. So you need to fold your paper 10.5 by 10.5, which is 21 inches, like so. But I think this is more, but it's okay. So let's cut the first flare. So let me see what I have here. I have 12 inches by 12 inches, which is okay. So now I'm going to mark the radius, which is 2 2.5. So I'm going to mark it. I place my tape on the folded edge here and then mark 2.5 all round like so. Then I'm going to connect the points. This is very simple and easy to cut. This method is very easy. So the next thing is to mark the length of the flare, which is 8 inches. You can put it on this radius line and mark your 8 inches, or you can measure from here and mark your 10.5 inches all round. So for beginners, it's easy for me to do it like this. After marking the 2.5 for the radius of our circle, then I will go on this line and then mark 8 inches. Next, I'll be connecting the points. So this is our circle. We have one. I'm going to cut this out and then use this as a template to cut the second flare. So I'll be cutting the radius first. Then I'll be cutting the length. So let me open it for you to see. So this is our full circle flare. I'm going to cut one of this to give us our 720 degree flare. So I'm going to fold it back to cut the second piece. So this is our two full circles. So what I'm going to do now is to slash one side open and also to slash one side open, because the two full circles, you join them together to give you that frame flare. So I'll cut this one, the second one. So I'm going to solo take one open side of this and then one open side of this. So this is how our 7 degree flare look like. So what you want to cut it on fabric, you cut it the same way I cut this one. So I'll be putting it on my mannequin for you to see how it look like. So our 720 degree pattern flare is ready. So if you find this tutorial interesting and helpful, please don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up and then also share my videos, comment, and if there's anything you want me to make, you can leave comments down the comment section below. I'll be ever ready to reply your comments.